I'm quite impressed with Faye is she took the time to explain the terms and clauses or the whole maybe option to purchase, so that at least we know what we are signing. This property is inherited. So because of inheritance, I think there are a few owners or co-owners of this place. So because of that, I think it's better to at least free up everyone's title or their name. So that's the reason for the sale. I think Faye got to know my mom, is it?
Yeah.
Yes. So I think during that time when we were trying to sell the property, we have one agent. After some time, we find maybe one agent not good. I know we must have a few more agents, more spread or widespread of the customers. So that's why we get Faith in also. Some of the potential buyers, they mentioned about maybe the feng shui, or they are concerned about the facing or the east-west facing.
Although it's a regular piece of land, but because we are situated facing a high wall in front of the house, a lot of buyers will find that this is like not a good thing for landed property, like seeing wall. But however, when I talk to this potential buyer, I know they are keen. So I tell them, actually this is a very good point, very good house, because when your kids accidentally run into the road, there's no car, it's a cul-de-sac and it's secluded, it's safe, and there's no neighbor, so it's total privacy. Because I'm very passionate, when I share information with the buyer, they listen. Because this house likely will be sold to buyers who are thinking of rebuilding, because it's already about 60 years old. I bought all the plans like drainage interpretation plan, sewage plans, road line plan, and whatever the buyer might need in case they want to know. They want to check with their contractor, they want to check with their builder, whether they can shift the lamp pole, all these things I get ready. So when the buyer asks a question, I have all my plans ready to send it to them. So that helps, because that gives them the confidence of buying this piece of land, or rather this house. The actual number of buyers that actually come into view, I think I only bought 3. And out of the 3, I got 1. And I only need 1 buyer who are serious and who see what I see, who see the value here in this particular house. Because I see that this buyer already has interest. So I do a lot more homework for them. And eventually we close the deal.
The most impressive thing is I think the property price. Like what I say, because there are few owners, so each of them have a different expectation on the price. So we have to get the price that everyone is satisfied. So because of that, I think it's maybe on the slightly high side. And in the end, I think they managed to convince the other buyer to meet our request or the amount that we want. The other thing, quite impressed, she took the time to explain the terms and clauses or the whole maybe option to purchase, so that at least we know what we are signing.
If you are planning to sell your landed property, please do give me a call. My name is Faye. My number is 9169 0096. Let me do a free consultation for you and let me buy all the plans, give you all the transaction. At least you are making an informed choice. Thank you.